Hey guys, welcome to another amazing episode fishing with Aliex. We're right here on the water on our brand new tandem kayak. We decided to take it out today to see what works, what doesn't work. We lost a net, the new Yak Gear original fish grip net. We lost it. Good thing we have another. Top water, idea. Bring you in like this. Let's see if I could do it. Okay, Andres, we're going to the spot, okay? Got a fish? Fish! Got a fish, guys. It's probably a jack rebel. First fish. Woohoo! Got a jack. Tiny fish, but this is the first fish in this kayak. Andres? Andres? Yes? You missed it, look. It paddles really good. Get it with a net. Get it with a net, Andres. Get it with a net. Yay! Yay! Bang that guy. This is a new Yak Gear net, the original fish grip. Andres wanted to get a fish with it, so we worked together and we got another little jack. Here, it's inside. What are you gonna do with it? Okay, so we're gonna move location. Let's see where. Let's go where Mommy is.
Did it die?
No, he's alive. You wanna release him? I think you're gonna have to take him out of the net. You want me to help you? Okay, you want me to release him? All right. Here it is.
Drop it.
Okay, dude, we're gonna move now, okay?
No, you said you now put a big bait.
We could have caught him and put as a bait. Okay, this place looks fishy, Andres. If we don't catch fish here, we're in trouble.
I think I saw bubbles under Mommy's boat, but only a little bit.
What do you think about that little boat, Sophie?
Mommy, I think I see bubbles under Mommy's boat.
Yeah.
Daddy,
Walmart sells them.
You said you put on big bait.
Uh,
Once we caught it.
but where do you want the big bait?
I want it big enough so it doesn't go inside the hole.
I don't know if we have any big. Here, this is the only one.
Put it on.
I have the cameras open, so if water gets in, they break. So that's what I'm saying. Here, put this back there. Let's go to the secret spot. Huh? Take a nap. The kayak here. What's up? park here.
Not fun, but this has to be some fun. Oh.
You're gonna flip us. Fish, Andres, the net. Oh, we lost the net. We lost the net. Crap. We lost the net. Yeah. Little snapper. We lost the net. Okay. Do you find it? Oh. Thought you found the net.